Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. 2020 is over and I wonder what 2021 will throw at us. Flying sharks maybe? Surely things are going to get better. My first video for the new year is this cute kids bathroom sign. I am using a wood sign I got in a craft bundle I purchased on Marketplace. I started in Design Space. I created a square the same size as the wood I was working with. I went ahead and typed out all the words I wanted on the bathroom sign. Now it's time to find the fonts I want to use. I usually get free fonts at dafont.com. If you haven't checked them out, you should. They have thousands of fonts for free, and what is better than free? For several of the lines, I used the Cami Ray font. It's a knockoff of the Ray Dunn font, and I just love it. I wanted the kids' bathroom to be a different font. I used Hello Honey. I'm pretty sure I got it from dafont.com also, but I'm not positive. I had to chop kids' bathroom up into several different sections in order to get it to fit together correctly without too much spacing between the letters. I moved the letters around, fitting them together so they looked right, and then welded all the letters together. I moved everything to my square and began center aligning it onto my square. I also added lines around the word caution and welded it together. I got everything fit together and then highlighted all of it and welded it together. By welding everything, I will be able to cut it just like it is on the screen. I won't have to try to line everything up as I'm applying it. I then sent the file to my Cricut to be cut. Once it was cut, I removed the vinyl from the pad. I tried to pull the pad from the vinyl to keep the vinyl from rolling. I then trimmed the edges and put the extra pieces in my scrap pile. You never know when you just need a little bit of vinyl. I then began weeding the vinyl in preparation of applying it to my wood. After I finished weeding, I used duck shelf liner to transfer the image to my wood. Since the font was a skinny font, I left the transfer paper on and applied some heat using my iron. I did this to help the vinyl adhere to the wood because sometimes it just doesn't want to come off the transfer paper. I then used my iron to set the vinyl. I do this with all my vinyl and wood projects. Besides helping to set the vinyl, the heat from the iron will melt the vinyl into the cracks and crevices of the wood, giving it more of a hand-painted look. The final thing I did was seal everything using matte Mod Podge and a brush. I think the sign turned out so stinking cute, and it really didn't take that long to make a new decor piece for the kids' bathroom. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload new home decor DIY videos weekly, and you know you don't want to miss out on any of them. So hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay crafty.